All right, listen carefully, Elon. This channel is quietly farming millions of views.
Nobody is talking about it. Like they've got 8.8 million with 7.6 million or 4.7 million views and the rest of their videos. Yeah, casually hitting millions too. And the crazy part, the idea is stupid simple. It's literally AI clips of someone controlling a tiny remote control boat on water. That's it. No actors, no crazy editing, just tiny boat equals big views. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these yourself. So first, here's what the final videos actually look like. Now, let's make one. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT, click Explore GPTs on the right sidebar. Then search for miniature boat generator and pick mine. Hit Start Chat. Then click to start the generator. Now watch this magic. It gives you 10 different scene ideas. You can either type the number or describe your own idea. I'm going with number 4 because why not? Now the GPT does the heavy lifting. It gives you an image prompt, a video prompt, and 4 more scene ideas to continue, lazy people. This is your moment. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow, link in description. Select Image Generation Nano Banana. 2. Set number of images. I picked 2. Resolution 9:16. Go back. Copy the prompt. Paste it. Click Start. Boom! Your image is ready in seconds. Download it now. Let's bring it to life. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt. Paste it into Flow. Before generating, select video mode. Choose how many videos. I picked 1 aspect ratio, 9:16 again. Hit start, wait a few seconds. And just like that, your AI video is born. Final step, editing time. Open CapCut, drop your clips in. Add some cool sound effects, maybe dramatic music or funny sounds. Make it pop. And once you're done, your video should look something like this. And yeah, that's the entire workflow. Simple, fast, and kind of unfair how easy it is. All the links are in the description. And if you want more viral AI niches like this, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. She had grabbed the bars out of pure curiosity, and that's when it happened.